Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to assign tasks to your team members using UPBASE, your go-to for project management in 2025. First up, you'll need to log into your UPBASE account. This is where all the magic happens, where you can monitor your project's progress and keep your team on track. Once you're in, navigate to your project dashboard. This is the control center for your project, showing you all tasks and who they're assigned to. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of all ongoing tasks and to easily manage them. Now that we're at the dashboard, look for the Create Task button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this button allows you to create a new task for your team. This is important as it's the first step in delegating tasks to your team members. Let me explain why this matters. Creating tasks here ensures that they're captured in your project's workflow and can be monitored for progress. After clicking Create Task, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll enter the task details, including the task name, description, and due date. Make sure to be as detailed as possible so your team members know exactly what they need to do. This helps us because clear communication is key in project management. Next up, you'll assign the task to a team member. At the bottom of the task creation window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Assign To. Click on this and select a team member from the list. The reason we do this is to ensure accountability. Assigning a task to a specific person means there's no confusion about who's responsible for it. Once you've selected a team member, click Create to finalize the task. This will add the task to your project's workflow and notify the assigned team member. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is updating your project workflow and sending a notification to the assigned team member, keeping everyone in the loop. And that's it. You've just assigned a task to a team member in UPBASE. Remember, the key to successful project management is clear communication and precise delegation, and UPBASE is here to help you achieve just that. Thanks for joining us today, and tune in next time for more tips on navigating the digital workspace.